So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you a best method to save storage on your iPhone and to fix the issue of storage problems on your iPhone. Now in order to do it, simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings, simply scroll down until you see this option of general. Simply go to general and go to iPhone storage. Once you go over there, here you'll find the amount of storage consumed by different things on your iPhone. Scroll down till you see these apps. Now select the app that you won't use much. For example, if I scroll down and let's say if I select Instagram, now here you'll see this option that says Offload App. What it does, it simply remove the app from your smartphone, but it contains it still saves the data on your iPhone. So whenever you need to access the app again, you won't need to do all the steps of sign in and everything. Your data is saved, but the app that is consuming storage on your iPhone will be gone. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.